Pay attention, people far and near. I shall not detain you long. Whilst in these few lines I do relate to the old and to the young. I am myself a miner, and I am duty-bound to comment upon that explosion which happened underground. It was at Methley Junction, under Messrs. Brigg & Co., and it is the first explosion that we ever did know. On the 9th of December, the men rose in their bloom. They went to their daily toil, not thinking of their doom. At 10:30 the roof fell down, which deprived them of their lives. They have left their orphan children, likewise their weeping wives. The worthy steward James Tapman, his name I cannot withhold, he quickly ran into that place, with heart so brave and bold. The Longwall deputies quickly did volunteer, not thinking of the fiery lamp, which they had to fear. With all speed they ran along, they did not hesitate, until they arrived within that place. But alas, they were too late. Not one man they found alive. I am sorry to foretell that the cause of the explosion was the heavy roof that fell. Life is uncertain, but death is sure. Sin is the wound, but Christ is the cure. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Next, I must comment upon the bank, where the people quickly ran, some lamenting for their father, their husbands or their sons. It was a painful sight to see. The people ran with speed, who had a friend in that shaft. It made their poor heart bleed. There was a poor woman that could not run. She was too lame and old. Her only son was in that place. It's true, so I am told. She is put upon the widow's fund, although she was a wife. I hope it will support her the remainder of her life. Messrs. Briggs & Co., a fund they did propose to subscribe for the widows, to find them food and clothes. A miner in the meeting boldly stood up and said, "We must gather for the widows, 'cause the poor men are dead." If it should be opposed and should not be carried out, the union will support them. Of that I am sure, there is no doubt. It is the best thing in the world, and in it all men should be. It demands federation in our land and defies all poverty. This is the last verse I shall write, and in it I must say, I hope the souls of these poor men to heaven went straight away, and there forever may remain, with angels round the throne, and meet all their wives and children there, with the happy home